In this video, we listed the 5 best Delta 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Monoprice Delta V2 3D Printer. The Monoprice MP Mini Delta V2 3D Printer is a compact and user-friendly device designed for both beginners and professionals. Made with PLA material and featuring a sleek black design, it measures 11.8 inch dx 17.5 wx 11 h and weighs just 2.2 pounds. This printer comes fully assembled and ready to use right out of the box. It boasts a touchscreen control with updated firmware and an improved user interface, offering larger icons and clearer instructions for ease of use. The PoloPrint Pro app enables seamless Wi-Fi connectivity for both iOS and Android devices, while its open-source compatibility with Cura and other slicing software allows for customization and tinkering. Additionally, the printer operates quietly at just 30 dBA, thanks to its upgraded driver motors, making it a great choice for quiet environments. Number 2. FLSUN Q5 Delta 3D Printer. The FLSUN Q5 Delta 3D Printer is a high-quality, user-friendly machine designed for both beginners and professionals. It features a lattice platform with excellent adhesion, easy removal, and durability, capable of heating up to 110. The printer is equipped with a full-color TFT touch screen offering a multilanguage, intuitive interface. Its auto-leveling system ensures seamless calibration, eliminating the hassle of manual bed leveling. With a 200 by 200 mm printing size, it is compact yet versatile, and its resume printing function allows the process to continue from the last saved breakpoint after a power outage. The Titan extruder ensures stable and durable performance, making it suitable for designers, schools, and other users seeking reliable and high-performance 3D printing. Number 3. FLSUN T1 Pro 3D Printer. The FLSUN T1 Pro is an ultra-high-speed 3D printer designed for both professionals and beginners, offering a maximum speed of 1000 mm per second and 30,000 mm s² acceleration, making it over 20 times faster than standard 3D printers. It features full auto one-click leveling for easy setup and ensures precision. The printer is user-friendly, allowing unboxing to printing in just 10 minutes, and includes advanced features like remote print control, real-time progress tracking via the FLSUN mobile app, and an HD camera for monitoring and time-lapse photography. With a large print size of 11.2 inches by 11.2 inches by 13 inches, it accommodates larger projects or multiple smaller parts in a single batch, while its dual-gear direct drive extruder supports a wide range of filaments, including PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS, and more. The T1 Pro also prioritizes safety and convenience with a dual air filtration system, HEPA 13 and activated carbon, that blocks 99% of particles and VOX, along with quiet operation at 55 dB. Backed by a 12-month warranty and responsive customer support, the FLSUN T1 Pro combines speed, efficiency, and versatility for an enhanced 3D printing experience. Number 4. FLSUN S1 Pro 3D Printer. The FLSUN 3D printer is a high-performance device designed for speed, precision, and versatility. With an ultra-high printing speed of up to 1200 mm per second and 40,000 mm s² acceleration, it significantly reduces printing time while maintaining high accuracy and detailed model output, thanks to its stable delta structure. It features advanced monitoring and control capabilities, including microtac radar control and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing real-time adjustments and monitoring via mobile phones or PCs through a user-friendly visual interface. The printer is easy to operate, with automatic leveling, self-checking stability features, and quick setup within 10 minutes of delivery. It operates quietly at 55 dB and includes features like power-off continuous printing and vibration compensation for seamless performance. The all-metal hot end supports temperatures up to 350 degrees Celsius, accommodating a wide range of materials, from common filaments like PLA and ABS to high-performance consumables such as PPSCF and PPACF, GF. Additionally, the printer offers a large build volume of 320 by 320 by 430 mm cubed, making it suitable for printing large parts or multiple models simultaneously. Number 5. K200 Head Delta DIY 3D Printer. The product is a 3D printer utilizing fused deposition modeling (FDM) technology with a parallel arm delta physical structure. It is compact with dimensions of 600 mm in height and 320 mm in both width and length, weighing 8.5 kilograms, including packaging. The frame is constructed from imported aluminum and steel with laser precision cutting, and it features a high-speed remote extrusion system with a single 0.4 mm nozzle made of copper, aluminum, and polyether ether keton. The printer supports a print range of 200 mm diameter and 300 mm height on a high borosilicate glass, wood, or heat bed surface. It is compatible with STL file formats and software like Repetier Host and Pronterface. The device operates on AC 110-220V input power and offers outputs of 12V7A without a heat bed or 250W12V with a heat bed. It supports various printing filaments including PLA, flexible PLA, wood, without heat bed, nylon, HIPS, and ABS, with heat bed. The printer achieves a print thickness of 0.05 mm to 4 mm with mechanical precision of 0.0125 mm and is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. It features a high-speed USB interface or SD card for connectivity and is equipped with an LCD screen for user convenience.